Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on Autopilot. Basically there is only two steps involved for you to make money on Autopilot and without work. Well, actually you will work a bit, but you will not have to do the work yourself. So let's get into it. If you see on my screen, there is a new startup called Ad Creative. They are converting ad creatives by artificial intelligence. The service that is on your parameters building ad creatives which are converting up to 14 times more than if you do it yourself. So basically we will use this service to make money online. You probably ask how. So basically if you go a little bit lower, you will see how does it work. There are 6 simple steps to create the highest conversion rate creatives you can possibly have. First step is optional. You can connect accounts. So you can connect your Facebook ads account or Google ads account or any other like Zapier or other ads accounts. So the ad creative.ai can easily connect to it and generate and get the data so it can make better creatives for you. The second step is to upload your logo. The third step is to choose a color. You can select free brand colors. If you don't choose the colors, the ad creative.ai will choose the colors from your logo. Then if you added the accounts in the first step, you will be able to select these in the fourth step. And after that you can choose the size like post size or story size, provide some headlines and descriptions so the AI engine knows what your product is all about. You can upload or select a background using search image engine or your own, and of course you need to upload your background product image. When you click generate, there will be three options to download the creative, to directly push it to Facebook or push it to Google. So this is a software that does a pretty good job. If we check the pricing, we can see that we can start with $29 a month, and I will show you why this is important. So the first step is to get the account. You can get the account from the link in my description. You can even use it for your own. If you go through the link in my description, you will get $500 free Google Ads credit when you register, which is awesome. So you actually, for $29, you get $500 free Google Ads credits, and you can test everything out. You can even try everything for free for 7 days, and this awesome software is really awesome. But if you're asking how in the name of God you make money with this, because all I said until now is you will spend money. So basically we are trying to do a new strategy that is called drop servicing. I know you heard of drop shipping, and where you don't have to buy the products, you actually promote the products, the physical products, then you buy the products, for example, on AliExpress and ship them directly to the customers. This is a similar thing where you will provide a service and promote a service. So the service will be ad create. Why is this interesting? Because there is currently no big competition in that space with creating ad creatives services. So the idea is that you promote your service, it's like your service, for creating very converting ad creatives, and then you are not actually doing the creatives yourself, but rather let this software do it for you. And you're paying a bit for this software, but as you can see, if we go to people per hour, for example, and I searched for ad creatives, there's only 24 results. And if you look at they are designing the creatives for Google Ads or banners or similar. For example, this guy has over 1,400 reviews, and he is making $170 per creative. You get the idea. So there is only 24 guys on people or per hour. So there is not big competition. You can of course check other networks for freelancers. for example, on Upwork, there are more. There's like 40 people here that are doing the ad creatives, but there is bigger money here. So this lady is making up to $55 per hour and already earned 40K. This lady is charging $70 per hours and already earns 100K, and so on. You get the idea. So basically, you promote your service on People Per Hour, Upwork, Fiverr, and other freelancing sites. And when somebody orders it from you, you go to your ad creative account and they create a creative for you, and you sell them and keep the difference in pricing. So you will pay, for example, $29 a month or $59 a month, and you just need one job to cover that, and after that everything that you earn is your profit. Yes, it isn't on fully autopilot, but it's really easy to get into this. If you're not into something like drop servicing, adcreative.ai has an affiliate program. So if you go all the way down, you can click on the affiliate, and you can earn, if you bring only 10 paid signups, you will earn $747 per month. There's also some bonuses. I always tend to, when I promote something, I really like people to stick to it, so it has a big attachment rate, and Ad Creative has that. Also, they have a lot of affiliate resources available for you, and you will get 25% recurring commission. So if you manage to bring only 10 people, $750 a month is not that small of the amount. But if you bring 100 people, you will get $1,000 bonus, and so on. I know bringing 100 people is not that easy, but it's a great opportunity. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, please click that like button below. It will help the YouTube algorithm, and check the video that is on the screen to learn more about affiliate marketing.